Hi guys, today I have an after dark clean with me. For some reason, past midnight, I was not tired at all, so I decided I would tackle the kitchen as well as get some vacuuming done and some tidying up. So if you guys are in need of some quick, relaxing cleaning motivation, make sure to keep watching. I'm using Methods Daily Granite Cleaner to clean my countertops, and all products I use are linked in the description box below as always. How many of you guys also get motivated at the most random times of the day? I don't know. I literally had all day to clean and didn't want to. And then right before I was about to go to bed, I was like, oh, let me go clean. So I don't know about you guys, but that happens to me all the time. Also, if you guys haven't noticed already, I'm wearing a Christmas shirt. Don't ask me why. I haven't put it away for the season. I don't know. It's just like in my closet and I needed something comfortable to wear. So I just threw on this Christmas shirt. If you guys are new here to my channel today, I just wanted to say hi and thank you so much for watching my video. I would love to have you stick around if you guys are interested in lifestyle videos as well as cleaning, organization, and decluttering videos. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button as well. Now that the kitchen was all clean, I moved on to starting a load of laundry, which I should have started before, but I totally forgot, like I always do. And if you guys are curious about my laundry routine, I will link that video up here on the screen. You guys can definitely check that out. After I started a load of laundry, I went into my room and emptied the trash and then gave it a quick vacuum. I didn't make my bed because I was about to head to bed after I finished cleaning, so I thought it was kind of pointless. The third room I tackled was my living room. I just need to do a quick tidy up and then vacuum this rug, which for some reason gets so dirty even though we don't even really walk over here, but it's mostly from my cats and like their fur and their cat litter. So I had to give it a quick vacuum, and I don't know, vacuuming this rug is so satisfying because you can literally see like the difference even in video. So I don't know, I just love watching this back. Now it's time to blow out the candle, turn off the lights, and get ready for bed. I really enjoyed making these late night clean with me videos, and I hope you guys enjoy watching them. So don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning motivation, as well as give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow for another video.